Yo, welcome to McMillan Mobile Service Vlog Part 1. Here with Dylan. What we got going on, man? What kind of job we got going on?
Our customer called saying their PTO drive shaft exploded. So we're going there to see what's going on.
Yeah, so we'll get there and then I'll start picking up from there, yo. Peace out, guys.
Rolled up the site and down the truck. And he broke the U-joint clean off, as you guys can see, because it should sit in like that. Just like this back one. So he broke it right here, which hold it all together. Got some new parts, gonna change her out, and he'll be rolling again.
Let's go. Nice. You can see it's like split right there. So I don't really know. I guess we're gonna see what we're gonna have to do now. So right now we're getting the spare drive shaft in, or Dylan's getting it in just so we can get it moving and unload the concrete. So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
That's the problem I didn't want.
What's the problem?
This one's too long.
As you guys can see, yeah, this is way too long to even get it in and get it like moving at least the slightest amount. So
You guys are pressing those guys out.
yeah, I guess Dylan's gonna press these out and go from there, see what happens. So.
Yeah, there's one. There's that. Spin her around, make sure she's all centered. Get that other one in there. There we go.
Dedication, bro. Job is done. We're dipping off now. What do you got to say about that?
That was interesting.
It was interesting. Yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Follow the one, like. Peace.